ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः ज्ञान विज्ञान योगः। श्री भगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु। ज्ञानं तेऽहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेकभूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते। मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामभिसिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः। Seventh chapter, Jnana Vijnana Yogam, first, second, third sloka. Bhagavan Krishna continues in the seventh sloka also Jnana Yogam, Dhyana Yogam. In this, Bhagavan Krishna says, though you perfect in Nidityasanam, Dhyana Yogam, you become perfect Dhyana Yogi, Nidithyasana Yogi, you have to do few more things. Totally surrender to me, taking refuge in me, your mind totally focused on me. You should continue your Nidithyasana practice. Then I can teach you. Means what exactly? You have to have intense Dhyana Yogam for long hours to understand Tattva Darshanam, to understand the Tattvam. Then only you will be in a position to get Tattva Darshanam. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this first sloka. Second sloka, Bhagavan Krishna continues. If you do taking refuge in me, 100% concentrated on me, meditating on me, you have to continue your dhyana. Then I will show you who I am. That's all Bhagavan Krishna shows. Means I will show you the Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, what it is. Very simple. Again I am telling you, Bhagavan Krishna, that's what says. You have to do intense Nidithyasana for long hours, taking refuge in me, thinking only about me, about my Swarupam, then I will impart the knowledge. Then second sloka, what exactly says? If you do sincere and dedicated mind, concentrated mind, taking refuge on me with that mind, if you do Nidithyasana for long hours, I will teach you the knowledge, Tattvam. I'll teach you the Tattvam, which you no need to know any other Tattvam in this world. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. I will teach you the knowledge of knowledge. Once you know that, you no need to know any other knowledge. I will teach you that. But Krishna again condition is putting on the third sloka. Among jnana yogis doing sincere Nidityasanam is very rare. Even perfecting Nidityasanam, taking refuge in me, understanding in me, to know the Tattva Darshanam, that is still very rare. Among the rarest of rare yogis who dedicatedly doing Nidityasanam for long hours, even in that group, only free yogis, they will understand the Tattva Darshanam, they will understand me. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. Overall, Bhagavan Krishna wants to show what exactly is, wants to make Arjuna very clearly. Doing Nidityasanam sincerely is one part. Perfecting Nidityasanam for long hours is second part. Then taking refuge with Bhagavan, that is third part. Concentrating, meditating, thinking, concentrating and meditating upon Bhagavan Krishna, that is another part. Then you still be further sincere in your effort. You have to totally surrender to me. So all those things, if a yogi practice as per Krishna says, as per Bhagavan says, then too only very few yogis, they will attain the Tattva Jnanam. I will teach that type of knowledge to you, Arjuna. So be ready, and be ready to do Nidityasanam for long hours, what I prescribed. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in these 3 slokas. Tomorrow we shall see the next sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.